Attention, do not mix these household products, they can kill you. Did you know that by combining and mixing different household cleaners, you can make a dangerous substance which can be really harmful and dangerous for you and your health? Well, yes, if you mix different household cleaners you can create harmful gases that can have harmful effects for your health. Read the article below and you will find out which household cleaning products you can't mix and how to protect your health. Never mix these household cleaning products. 1. 2 different cleaners. If you think that by mixing or combining a window cleaner with some other household cleaning product, you will get better results, then we must tell you that you are definitely wrong. We highly recommend that you should definitely avoid mixing 2 different cleaning products. Every cleaning product is made for a specific purpose and you should use it just for that. 2. Rubbing alcohol and bleach. Well, you should definitely avoid mixing these 2 ingredients. Well, this is actually combining chloroform and hydrochloric acid and this can be extremely dangerous. Just use bleach on its own. And do the same for rubbing alcohol as well. 3. Bleach with ammonia. If you mix these 2 ingredients you will create toxic smokes, chloramines, which are extremely dangerous for your eyes, and they can be also very dangerous if you inhale them. So don't mix these 2 ingredients because as you can see they can be really dangerous for you and your health. 4. Chlorine bleach with vinegar. If you mix any type of acid with chlorine including vinegar, you will create a dangerous combo because this type of combination produces and creates a toxic chlorine gas. Don't mix these 2 ingredients. 5. Baking soda and vinegar. Even though this combo is perfectly natural and extremely efficient and useful as a cleaning product, you still need to stay away from his cleaning formula. Sodium bicarbonate or baking soda reacts with acetic acid found in vinegar, producing sodium acetate water and carbon dioxide. And the vinegar can also make the baking soda to bubble. So you should be extra careful. If you put them in a closed container it can explode. 6. Hydrogen peroxide and vinegar. Many people would say that this is the best and perfectly safe cleaning combo, but we think that you should never mix these 2 ingredients. You shouldn't mix them, especially not in the same container, because it will create a peracetic acid which is highly toxic and it can damage your skin, eyes and respiratory organs. As you can see, you shouldn't mix these house cleaning products because you can create dangerous and harmful toxic substances which can harm your eyes or your skin. Thanks for watching and don't forget to share with your friends and family.